Hi, Fatuma. How are you today? You like your little toy? Yeah? You like your toy? You don't like your toy? No? Why not? Hmm? How come you don't like your toy? The ball's flying everywhere. Oh, don't put it inside. It's a spoon. What are you doing? Fatumi. Enjoying yourself? What happened? Huh? There's another ball. You eating cereal? You get a little toy here. Bobby, come back to your toy. Come back to your toy. Come back to your toy. Well, anyway, happy Monday, everybody. I don't know. I can't say it. I'm smiling out of excitement, but I can't say anything. Still waiting on the news. We'll see what happens. Other than that, it's a pretty boring Monday. No, I'm lying. It was a crazy Monday. Crazy. Crazy. Unbelievable. We had chicken for dinner, or we're going to have chicken for dinner. It's like almost 9 o'clock, and we're waiting on my mom to get here, and she's not here, and she's supposed to bring us stuff. And it's very annoying, and I'm hungry. Anyway, Fatuma, some more Fatumi? Bobby? Come over here! You getting mad at your own toy? What are you looking at? What are you looking for? Your water? You want your water? It's right there. Water. There you go. Ooh, my goodness. Did that hurt, dude? Yeah? Kind of? What do you want to do? Drink the water? Oh, thanks. I'll drink it. Oh, you want it back? Okay. You have it back. Oh, thanks. Can I have some? Oh, yummy, yummy. Yeah, here, you go. Ah! Give me a kiss. Bossy. Give me, oh. Give me Bossy. No? Okay. Yeah, Bossy. Oh, God. You coughing on me? All right, everybody. That's it for tonight. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye.